Hey everyone, I am Anchal Gupta. My team and I have come up with a problem that affects millions of people across the globe mental health. We are focusing on college students. So, 1 in 7 youth aged 15 to 24 experience a mental health condition. APA reports say that 70% of college students experience severe stress during exams. Here's a testimonial from people from our college who also face these problems.
Placement.
Handling too many subjects in a semester becomes challenging.
High expectations. I get stressed into exams.
Maintaining 75% attendance in the college and the immediate stress students waste a lot of time in commuting and they don't get enough time for their personal activities and other activities.
The assignments and all the work projects given by college seems so outdated and useless. They take so much of time. I get no time for self studies and scaling.
So, we asked them if they have a solution for their problem.
No. You.
No.
No.
So here's our solution to this problem. We introduce an application that uses agentic AI to be a mental health companion. Now, in this application, we have multiple sources of ingestion data. We are using AP approved Shell Labs dataset. We are using multiple books which are AP approved, and we are using profile summary from the user. Along with that, we have an MCP server that will have data like events. Now over here you can see the mood logs of the user. Now we have these activities that the user has done. Basically, we are going to be suggesting activities based on how nervous the user is, what help they need right now. So we also create an environment where the simulation is done so they can perform different activities. Our other features are this dashboard where you can log your mood so that you can see your mood timeline, and we also have details about our activities that you have done in the past and the progress that you have made. Now coming to our USP, which is our conversation agent. So our conversation agent is having ingestion mode from 3 different data sets. So first of all, it is having API approved Shen Labs conversational dataset. Along with that, we have taken some textbooks and we have cleaned them, chunked them using semantic chunking, and that is another source of knowledge. Along with that, we are using an MCP server that has details of all the college events that the student has. Now, this MCP server can be used as a tool by the agent whenever the user needs to have that context. So over here you can see the user is asking for the events of this week and all the events have been given. So we are utilizing agentic RAG system using different tables of TIDB and this entire feature to come up with a really good, well-grounded and contextual chatbot. Along with that, we are also using profile summary. So whenever a chat is done, a summary is generated so that it is going to mimic the textbook, the notebook that the therapist has. So it has all these notes, it has all the knowledge, it has all the data, it has the events, so the real life context. Now coming to our architecture. So as I said, our data ingestion is coming from different sources. You have your MCP server, profile summaries, the therapy guidelines that we have from different books, and our Shen Labs dataset. We have 2 agents, conversation agent and activity agent. Now depending on the orchestrator, it can redirect to either of these agents. Along with that, we have a safety mechanism, which is our guardrail. So it is the most important thing because in critical situations, it will alert the family members and stop the LLM workflow. And after the agents are done, we have an after agent callback, which will take care of the profile summary generation and emotion analysis. So this is how we aim to tackle this very important problem which we ourselves face. Thank you so much.